Hello everyone and welcome to a new game dev stream. We're just gonna get started really quick. Last time I fixed after the stream I did some small fixes to the dash. Like that works a little bit better, feels way better. And that's pretty much it. And I also fixed the components. So right now I cannot dash because I have no stamina. Let me drink a potion really quick. Can drink everything. Have full stamina. And if I bring it really close and I enable the cheat code, I can enable the cheat code. I can still do the dash indefinitely. Anyway, the cheat code is for testing purposes. So right now, I also fixed. I think I did this on stream. I don't remember. So interactions are fixed. Now I can attack. Like the game feel needs to be fixed, but at least it's mostly there. What I want to have so far. The button menu needs to be fixed. I also have it's like some statistics shown here. When I attack, hold on, let me add some enemies. And add and update the plugins as we're working on this. Okay. We have some enemies. So down here, when I attack something, oh wait, here you see how the sword has some damage here, just so that you can know how much. Oh my god, I died. So that you know how much damage each of your weapons do. Right now, this is more for the end game. I will keep it on there just because why not? But this needs to be fixed. The athletic not menu, the saving of the state, because right now you see how it's increased to level 2 and then it increases to level 3. Now it increases back again to level 2 because the level resets when we change the scene. So let's fix that. We were working on that, I think, on stream last time. I wasn't too sure how to fix it. But we are going to fix it here. Oh, and this right. I'm going to change that dash stamina cost place. Let's just move it to the athletic skill component itself. It makes sense to just track the damage cost there. Just base dash stamina cost. Then the player athletic skill component page dash stamina cost. We can fix this later if we want the stamina to cost less as the player athletic skill increases, which is why it makes sense to put the stamina cost there. Because once the athletic skill component level increases, then we can lower this value automatically if needed, if ever needed. All right, let's switch this. Is everything right? Yeah. It's a strange red symbol right here. But no need for... There are no errors. Okay. We are going to fix... Dashing must consume stamina. This coupling code needs to be added to the player itself. This code is not part of this class. I don't know why not. It makes sense to make it part of this class, so I'm gonna remove this to do. Doesn't make sense to me. Or it could be like a set of constant values outside of this class. But anything that has the athletic skill component should also be able to dash, so it makes sense to keep the dash stamina cost here. That's right. Keep it this way for now. Okay, so something that I was working on is this save to memory function in save file manager. So what we want to do, let me make this a bit taller, large. So what we want to do is once we switch scenes, right before we add the new scene to memory, we want to save every node that's in the save file manager group. We want to save it. We want to save their data. The data needs to be saved and loaded. The question is how to save it, because we need a specific key and we need specific value. So I think we're just gonna make up those keys. Each node is gonna make up those keys, and then we're just gonna store the keys in a dictionary here. Because for many of the nodes that we need to save, or for a lot of the data that we need to save, it's node specific. And this makes it flexible enough across the code base for saving and loading node data. And I just need to implement like a get data function. We can make the code generic here. We can do like an object. We should be able to do like a get. It's better to just try this. Just right here. Here, I can probably do. Yeah, get. And we could get this property and see what we get. We should return a callable. Oh, that's right. This is wrong. Where is this? Oh, that's the dash limbo state here. Athletic. This is wrong too. We have a player instance. Base dash. Plus, yeah. Okay, so we did get a callable. This is good. This is good. On the object, I should be able to get a default value, right? Oh, it just returns null. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Let's continue working on the save file manager. Actually, let's save these changes. Save this. We're going to save this. Fix. Let it move. Move stamina cost. Let it skill component. Right. Actually, we can just keep placing it there. Why not? Oh no, I don't like it now. Okay. So we're going to start with the player node. We have a function get data around here. And then on the save file manager, here. Go to singleton manager dot scene transition manager. Scene change started. Connect. This function does not, yeah, it's not do anything. Save memory. So every time we change the scene, we're going to save to memory if there's any node that needs to be saved. And for that, we're going to be we could just, because at some point we want to make sure we don't overwrite. But it's better to just clear. No, it doesn't make sense to clear. Because this is just gonna be primitive types data, no object, no objects. Yeah, let's just keep it this way. So now when we change scenes, here. I know this, but why isn't it firing? Oh, because I don't think I have added the player node to the save file manager. Yeah, save file manager class. Yeah. So now we do this, and we say when we change scenes, we should see a player node pop up around here in text. There it is. That's the print that we have. All right. I need to update the year of this class. I updated it recently. Okay. What is this? Oh, we're in the player class. Okay. Get data. So yeah, we get data and then... Huh, interesting. I need to add another signal to scene transition manager. Oh no, there's one. So instead of scene change started, I'm just gonna make it started. Scene change. This happens after... Oh, this is bad. Because I want this signal to emit when the screen is dark, which is here. The signal emits when the transition is absolutely dark on the screen. There's nothing. So I want this signal. Maybe we can just wait one frame. Because I want the queue of free to work. Because we removed the node here. Oh wait, it's removed. Oh wait, no, this is fine. Yes. Oh, I don't think we need this because I removed the custom root node a while ago. So let's just remove this. Okay, this should be fine. Okay, this is okay. I'm thinking of this signal because I want the signal to emit only when the new node is in the tree, and this is what happens here. think this is fine. Yeah. Okay. This is okay. And I'm going to rename this to just instead of scene change started, restarted, finished, scene changed. It's fine. Okay. Although I like scene change started, scene changed. Let's do it like that. Scene changed. Scene changed, finished. I'm gonna need to do some minor refactoring, but that's okay. Okay. Is there anything else here that needs to be fixed? Yeah. Scene change. Oh, this one should be scene changed. Scene change. Scene change. What else do we need to fix around here? Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let's see. I know something's going to break because I remember we used this signal. Yeah. In the runtime debugger, we use this signal. Finished. Scene change, finished. Which is fine. Anything else? Yeah, that's it. Let's make some commits. Seems fine. Update scene transition manager. Signal names. Connect save file to run. Save the memory function for all the changes. This is a very cheap function because if there are no nodes that need to be saved, then nothing gets saved. And something else that we could do is save file manager, save to memory, and then load from memory. Like I don't know if two of them, those groups are needed. We could have one group for saving and one group for loading, and that makes it easy to figure out which nodes needs to be loaded and saved. And I'm gonna keep it just to one group for now. Okay, player.gd. So we save, and now we need to load get data. Load data. Save file data. This is the dictionary from the save file manager. And what we do is we get the data, we create the key, then we do the save file get key and an empty dictionary. And then here we check data.get. Oh yeah. Total experience. Data. What? No. What do we even? Oh, we do a packed in 64. Right, okay. Equals. Oh, this is getting hairy. Oh, there's no set data here. Let's track it. If we just run the resize function, so it should always be that size. Or actually, no. I'm going to check for the size difference. Then we're just gonna show warning. Level up points tracker component. Upon set data. Wrong points tracker size upon set data. The source data seems to be corrupted. Auto fixing. Tracker size. Keeping the default values. Yeah. Now we can remove this. And new size. And then this does not need to return anything. This is some validation. Let's continue with the player code. Set data. Actually, I'll get data. It should be set data too. Wait, how do I do this? Oh yeah, set data. This is fine. This is not the save file manager data. This is just the data that I returned. Get dictionary. Save file manager. We're going to, this is a safety check. We're going to do this only on debug mode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check that the data we're getting is actually for this node. Which is unnecessary, but it makes sense to do this check just in case for further for maintainability purposes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get the key. Let's just do the data keys. Is still push error. Tempted to set. Okay. Save. Okay. I'm just going to return. So this is wrong now. So we have the data already. This is just gonna be P data. If we hold on, when we do get the I'm going to show an error here. Attempted to set data using dictionary. Did not do this. This is to avoid unnecessary processing. That's what this warning is for. In case I make a mistake later. Level up points tracker data. Then they'll set data. It's here. So this is what I just did, and then and we missed here some other components: health, stamina, component. Wait, what? There's no get data. We only implemented get data here. Ooh, true. Okay, we'll work on the other get data. It's just a dictionary. Actually, I could make this. I could vibe code this. It seems easy to vibe code. Yeah, I don't want to type this stuff. Okay, let's make sure that we keep. Yeah, let's just commit these changes so far. I'm just gonna vibe code this because it's a bunch of typing that we can just let the fancy typewriter fix. Do a rough implementation of player data and get guess the data. I know some more formatting. This makes sense. Yeah, there's vibe code here. Uh, oh, no, no, no. That's my personal folder. I don't want you messing around there. Here. Okay. Please. What is happening? Oh my gosh. This terminal is all so weird right now. Okay. Now, let's see if it works. Please update. Player.gd. Please implement. Your ability. It's not missing. Those. Let's see what it does. I'll be back really quick. Alright, I'm back. Wow, let's see what it did. It finished. Alright, let's take a peek. Wait. Or the yeah. Mana component, max mana, mana exhaustion, generate. Yeah, that makes sense. This looks right. This is the same thing. Yeah, that looks right. Oh, this looks right too. What else? I think it's missing. Wow. Wow, it really. Oh my god, so much typing that I did not have to do. I'm so glad. So this looks right as well. There's nothing else here. It's just a one screen change. Let's read this. Okay, so we saved the. Yep. I implemented most of these already, if I remember. Okay, I want to rename these. To save data, to make an enum. But I'll do it later. Reload. Okay, let's go back. Actually, no, let me go back here. Player data, P data. This is so weird. Why did it do this? It's just P data. Oh, because it's getting the player data from the key. Okay. True. Let's do this. P save. No, this is wrong. Because the data we're gonna get is just this. What we just saved. Yeah. I'm just going to remove this. Because this key specifically... Okay, let me make a name for the save file manager key. Yeah, because this is specifically for save manager key. We want to return the data, this data specifically. And I'm just gonna make this a generic dictionary. No, because this needs to interface with... yeah, no. Its function needs to interface with save file manager. The same goes for and that's why the return type is specified. No, this is wrong. No, this is right. This is okay. Actually, no, this is wrong. This is not needed. It can just be a dictionary. It doesn't matter. You can keep it generic. No. This is what I'm gonna do. And that's why we return the data wrapped with a key through another. Yeah. This is what I wanted to get to. Yeah. Now here. Why is this key not declared? Oh, because I removed it. Yeah, that's okay. We don't need it. We don't need any of this. We don't need this either. And this is just going to be player data is just going to be p data. P data. We're gonna ask the AI to fix the types. Yeah. We're going to add these changes. Then do two things for me. Update player dot data. Just so that more specific data types. Also, other components. None. Those enums are It's crazy how AI can make this kind of tedious work so easy. Once you have a pretty good idea of what you want to do, I'm all for using AI. Because usually you can fill in the blanks quite quickly and in your style. Especially if you already have like some scaffolding of what you are trying to achieve. Which is the use case that I have for AI. Because I don't like asking for way too many things like, hey, make me an entire game. Or, I don't know, make me an entire business. Oh, please. I mean, that could work, I don't know, in some very specific niche and extremely simple setups, I suppose. But even then, you still need someone who actually understands the code base. Let's see what it did. I don't think it's good. Okay, this is great. This is what I wanted. To rename the enums. Yeah. Then here. Oh gosh, still thinking that you player data is from there. No. This is not how it's going to work, bro. He thinks the gate data is gonna get in here. That's not true. It's not gonna happen, bro. Oh gosh, it did something so horrible here. It's still using variants. Bro. Oh gosh. Just do it directly. Although, this is not a bad check though. Because if we get corruption in the save file and we load something weird, then we save ourselves. Let's just take this for a spin. And we save file manager. Load from memory. Var key. And this should be get name, then not get name. Here. This should be pretty straightforward. If node.has method I think a constant here. Data. If the node doesn't have, we're going to send the warning. Save file manager. Node. Should not have get data. No, this is that data. Set data. Implementing. We just continue in this case. Although no, let's just properly make the loop just not do anything after this if it's not successful. So we want this here. Here. Data. Then here, what we want is this. If we have data, then we do this. No data. Oh, what we want to do is Courager, good morning. I did not see your message until now. Yes, it's going well. I'm working on the slow save file system. Save file, load file thingy system, yeah. And we're vibe coding a little bit of it because it's just, you know, dumb code blocks for saving and loading data. And the AI can do that for us. It can type faster than me. So how are you? It's been a while. We get the data. We get the call. The set data callable. No, not get set data. Set data dot call. No data. And this should be it. There's nothing else here to do. Happy Easter! Yay, it's alright. I'm glad to hear you're doing good. This here. Basically going to the same thing. I honestly don't know how to make this save file system, so I'm just doing something kind of generic that I think works. And I like how it works. So I'm just gonna roll with this. So here, hold on. We want, no. This is, wait, that's right. I can just get the key. I can just make a key from the name of the node. Oh my god, I'm screwing up here. Get data. No, there's no need to implement this. Screw this. Just return the data. Then we let the save file manager figure out how to make the key for itself. Ah, that makes sense. Now here it makes the key. And then we get the callable. Get data, then we do parents node data. We don't know what this is. They can return whatever they want. Get data to call. Then we inject it into a save file in memory. She's gonna be key equals no data. Ooh, this makes sense. And now, this makes sense to me. Okay. So here, this looks good. Can I run this the code? I don't know if it's broken. And we're getting the black screen of death. Okay, local, share, Godot, app user data, project 0. Get out of here. Okay, working, it's working. Okay, I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work yet. So we increase level 2 and then we go up here and then it's still level 2. Yeah, it's screwed up. That's okay. We need to connect a signal from Scene Transition Manager. We have, what was it? I just made the signal. Oh, here, scene changed. Here, this signal, scene changed. So when the player No, that's not it. The player node here. Do we have the transition manager? No. No. Also, we don't do anything here. Actually, I can just call. I don't need that signal. I can just be like singleton manager. Dot. Settings manager. No. Save file. No, wait. Oh, I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong. Yeah, no. This is wrong. It's in the save file manager. Here. We've connected a signal to scene transition manager. This scene change. Scene changed. This signal is weird. The name is weird. Hold on. Here. We have scene change started. Scene change finished. I want to name this main scene changed because that's what's happening. That's what's really happening. This is gonna make other sections of the code crap out because I'm missing that signal somewhere else. And Godot's going crazy again. We got a black screen. Thank you, Godot. And there we go. Errors. If I remember, runtime debugger is actually also used. Oh, here. Oh no, this signal is fine. Let's just see the errors. Oh, wait, it's working. Oh, there we go. Scene changed. All in one pause menu. All in one pause menu. WD here. Line 37. Main scene changed. Here. Wait, what is this signal for? On main scene changed. Oh yeah, that's just a warning that I have there for reminding me. But I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Hey, we got a crash. I'm pretty sure I missed that signal somewhere else. The scene changed signal that is renamed. Give me an error. Oh, no compilation errors. Okay, I'm wrong. All right. Wait, does it work? No, hold on. Something else that I did not save in save file manager. So many files open. Oh, this. Okay. Parse error. There's already a name in save file manager 169. Oh, yeah. And I just did that. It's Godot going crazy again. Oh, I will get another error. Save file manager. Scene changed. Oh, true. Main scene changed. We got another error somewhere else. What is it? Crashes everywhere. This is what I get for using an unstable branch of Godot. There are no compilation errors now. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Let me just save. Let me save the changes everywhere. Let me start making. Hold on. How many things? Oh gosh. Okay. Let's start making a bunch of changes. Get data. Oh, this is fine too. I like this implementation. Oh, that's true. I like this. Okay. I'm going to make this, let's just add it. Screw it. Going to add this. Only one pause menu. The player. What is this? Oh yeah, I did all these changes manually, yeah. And this is part of the AI stuff that we pipe coded. It's just saving and loading data. And the loading of the data is not working correctly, if I remember. Okay, hold on. Player, no. Save file manager. Is this function even running? Load from memory. Print. We are loading. Okay. I know the saving is working. The loading is not working. Hold on. We are saving. Yeah, that's fine. And nothing gets saved. Nothing actually gets saved. There's nothing being done here. Wait, it's running twice. We are saving. I think I'm connecting the wrong. Oh, of course. Load from memory. Now we're talking. Okay, so we increase the athletic performance. The mana and the health is updating too. This is interesting. Hold on. The items, do the items change? I think the items change too, because I'm not saving that properly. Okay, this is almost full. We change scene. Oh, okay, so this stays correct, and this is off though. I saw a weird okay, there's something off. So this, oh, let me just drink some potions. Now there's a jump here, a weird jump that I did not like. Here. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? But the athletic skill is the state is saved. So what is it that's happening? Let me just save the changes and then we'll fix the bugs. Because that looks good to me so far. So your scene, what is this? What is this change? Oh, the yeah, the save file manager group. Yeah. I'm just gonna save it. Implement initial cross save load save Zeus node state save load. Okay, we got some formatting things that we need to improve. Oh, just a new line there. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's start debugging. So when we enter here, we load the potion. We our state. We have full. The athletic skill is increasing. Mana, the stamina is off. The loading seems fine, but it's being done at the wrong time. Why? Hold on. Because it should be done when the screen is dark. Oh, the UI is not updating. Is that what's wrong? The UI should be in place. Okay, save file manager. How do we debug this? I want to... No, I cannot pause the tree. How can I debug this? I know how to debug this. So when we transition the scenes... Oh, wait, no, I think I know what's happening. I think I know what's happening. Yeah, I know what's happening. Hold on. Where is this scene transition? The options. This class. Here. I'm just going to increase this time to something crazy. I don't know. 2 seconds. So the transition is way slower now. Oh gosh, just let me in. Oh my god, this is so slow. Okay, so see how this doesn't take until the animation is finished. So if I can just eat my stamina. When I transition, this will be at the 75%, which is the default value, and then the first tick, it jumps down. No, at the first change. Hold on. I know what I can do here. I know what I can do here. Let me just make this really ridiculous. And then what I can do, what I think it's happening is the render is not ticking because the scene tree is paused during the transition. So the UI elements might not update. And I can double check that's what's happening by looking at the health component. And when I do a set health, I think set health delta here. I should be able to trigger a signal, right? Yeah. So we're gonna inject some code into the game. Now what's going to happen is, so when this goes completely dark, we switch the node right. Then here, I don't think I have enough time to go find the player and do this. I can just search the nodes. I'm silly. Yeah, what I want to do is, I can test it here real quick. Set no, health component dot set health delta. Let's do -10. This should update the UI. See, the UI gets updated. I can just do way more than that. I don't know, like -30. So this gets updated. So now when we switch the scene, get out of here. Okay. If I do it right now, it did change. It did update. It did update again. And now we need to add health. Oh gosh. No, I'm too slow. What happens if I restart? I think because the saving and loading is happening, we're gonna be dead the second we restart. Look at the health. It's gonna be death. Fancy. Yeah, I have that runtime debugger. Oh yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am dead. Hold on. But I think I can test it again. Scope player. Oh, I still need to look for it. Oh, this is too annoying. If I do this, yeah, it updates, right? When I click the restart button, it's transitioning. It's still updating. Okay, now when this goes to shit, we need to find the player real fast. quick, 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 quick. Okay. Player, where's the layer? Where's the layer? Where's the layer? Here. Run expressions. I think I'm too slow. No, this is still updating. This is still updated. So why? Hold on. Is it because this is so weird? I don't know. I don't know at what point this bug is happening. Is it where is it? It's not when the node is ready, right? Because hold on. Player is ready. This is when we finished actually. Did I use the wrong signal in the save file manager? No. Because we save to memory when we start the scene change. And then we load from memory when the main scene is actually changed. So let me see when this gets printed. It should get printed the second the screen is really dark. Let me remove the crazy timing. Not this one. This file. This is too high. Let me just do 1 second. I click this when it's dark. See, player is ready. So what? Is it because of the way we're... Oh, hold on. That means... I think it's because of the way the data is being set then. Where's the health component here? Oh, the set data. We're not emitting anything here. We're not emitting anything here. We need to emit everything. Oh gosh. Wait, what do I do here now? This needs to be a new signal, doesn't it? Huh. I could either do a new signal or do setters on the properties, but I hate setters in GDScript. I don't like setters. They be cool, the setters. I don't like them. They are cool though for if you want control over this stuff via the editor, it's awesome. But I don't like them. I like to separate the underlying data from signals and from whatever else. They are cool for very I would say for very quick and dirty code. They are awesome. They are really awesome. But other than that, I don't like it. I don't like binding a property to a setter all the time. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a new signal called updated. Maybe this makes sense. This just signals that that all the properties were updated. Signals that all the properties updated. Or maybe data set? No, I like updated. Usually by a set data call. And then here updated dot emit. And then I'm just gonna do it for the health component, and then we're gonna vibe code this for the rest of the properties. Although it should be fairly straightforward. Actually, no, we just need 3 of them. Let's just do it ourselves. No more vibe coding. Mana component, because it's the same thing. Just an updated signal. Actually, I want the same comment. Let's do emitted. Emitted when. This. I'm gonna ask the AI to document this later. I'm gonna be lazy. Normal coding is for. That's true. Normal coding is for boomers. But in this particular case, we only need 3 signals. So it's not that much code. It's not that much code. We're not gonna be lazy. Not on stream. Not when we can avoid it. Then we're just gonna do this. Emit. And then the stamina component. It's the same thing. Let me paste that here. Hey, here's my signal. Emit. Okay, this makes sense to me. And then in the UI code, this is where the hot.gd we have, yeah, here. I'm just gonna vibe code this. I just wanna vibe code this because it's the same thing. Okay, we're vibe coding this. Screw this, please. Hold on. Let me add the changes first. I want to go grab water. As I grab water, I want the computer to do the work for me. No, we're not adding this change. Okay, keep it that way. Okay, I have updated the health, stamina, and mana components to emit when the set data function is to emit updated signal. It's called please update. Hope that wasn't loud on stream. I just sneezed. I hope. Thank you, Kurt. Sure, I appreciate it. Updated the health, stamina, and mana components to emit an updated signal when the set data function is called. Please update the HUD and to support updating the respective bars when the set data happens. Okay, I'll be back really quick. I'm just gonna go drink water, get water. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just got back and the work is done. Let's take a look. I'm just gonna run the game. YOLO. Like, oh, of course. We got a black screen. What did you do, AI? Huh? 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 What did you do, AI? This same silly bug. Get out of here. I need to report that issue upstream. Oh my god, this is so slow. Okay, we're gonna drink. I'm just gonna burn my stamina. Let's go, let's go. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Everything works. Let's go. Okay, okay. Let's make changes here. I'm gonna discard this change. I don't want that. Why are you directly referencing the health bar texture? What? Hold on. This is weird. Why are you... Huh? I'm so confused by this. Hold on. Let's just look at everything else. What? Why? Hold on. Why? Because this makes sense. On stamina component, we have... That's stamina bar. But why do you keep a reference to this? No. Oh, wait. Hold on. I know that we need to do that, but... No, this is ugly. Because I wanted to just set the values to the... No, I don't like this. I don't like this. This is too convoluted. Because we can just get the health component. And for example, set max health or function set health. Yeah, there's no need to get direct access to the texture bar. No, I hate that. Please update the HUD. Do not directly reference the texture. Hold on, oh, it's a texture progress bar, I think, right? Yeah, texture progress bar. Progress bar. You can use, for example, health component dot set health, which will emit a signal that the health changed. Wait, does it do that? I'm so confused now. Set health. It should emit a signal, right? Yeah, health changed. Yeah. Changed. And that signal will update the UI automatically. Oh, wait. Then I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. I just solved the bug and that created another one. Oh no. Yes, I know the feeling. I know the feeling, Cardiger. Yes. I mean, this thing, what I'm going through, is the same thing. It solved the bug, but it's creating something else. I don't like it. Because the health bar code itself on Lazy gets going crazy. Hold on. Let me just exit. The health bar is already connected, right? Oh gosh. No. Okay, no. I know what I'm going to do. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Lazy kid. And Godot is black again. We're going to undo this change. We don't want this. No. It's not the HUD. Please update. Please update on health bar. This one. Stamina bar. This one. Mana bar. Yeah. And then. So they are updated. And the mana stamina updated signals are emitted. No, I don't need this. Because now the code is within the bars itself, so we can just edit the bars directly. I like this. Oh, time to drink water. You know, Kurt, you said that normal coding is for boomers, and the other day on Twitch, I saw someone saying no AI coding, and I'm here like, bro, you're missing out. You can be so lazy sometimes. Like, do AI coding, you know? Like, don't be afraid. This is just a fancy typewriter. I mean, sometimes it's good to do no AI coding when you're wrapping your head around a bunch of code. But if you can clearly see what you need to do, and you can just ask a fancy typewriter to do it for you, just do that. Why not? Just do that. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it did. See, this is exactly what I needed. It's true. Yeah, I have knowledge, so I'm talking from that perspective. But yeah, not studying coding itself, but just in the code. That's just bad. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And it's binding the health component itself. Yeah, that's fine. Although binding the health component, well, that's true. This is fine. It's an extra reference, but that's okay. Okay. Enemy chase. Right, just update. Hold on, let's test the code because I'm running too quick here. I know that it makes sense what it did, but let's just make sure that it actually works. Okay. Oh yeah, of course. We have another scene that needs to be updated. Pause menu .gd 45. I know I used this signal on many other places. Main scene changed. And black screen of death. Ooh. Okay, get our things. Oh, and I need to check the inventory because I don't think... Yeah, we have 2 stamina potions, 2 health potions. I don't think the inventory is working. It's not working. Where are my potions, bro? This is bad. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh, yes, the health stuff. It worked, right? Hold on. Let's take it for a spin again. Ah, yeah, it's working too well. I was dead. I was dead. I need to figure out when to load this and save the data. Okay, we'll work on that right now. Let me just save this. Yeah, make this commit. Properly update health upon scene change. My inventory looks cool, but I don't understand why are items not in order next to each other. Oh, they can be in order. The thing is that you can, in the API, you can place them wherever you want, but you can arrange them so that they are like this. Does this make sense? I was testing the position of the items. Yeah, and this arrange button, I need to fix it, but this arrange button can actually works in the code, like deep in the code, actually works like Final Fantasy. You can arrange, for example, if you want the weapons first, you can click a button. I mean, I need to add it, but I want to make it so that you can click a button around here that you can arrange by weapons first, or you can arrange by alchemy items first, or bombs first, or something like that. But yeah, it works. It's just that the test code that I have gives me an inventory with all the items screwed up like this. It can be endless, but it's not. I can make it endless if you want to take a look at it. But right now it's just 200 items, I think. So we have 100 rows here. But the inventory itself, inventory manager. Hold on. I think around here I have, or infinite. Yeah, you can make it infinite. You can make it insanely huge as you want. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. When I was working on it, I wanted to make it inventory endless. Because I know some games. What is it? One day I will got as good as you. Yes, yes, Carter. That's the goal here. That's the goal. There's a game out there that has an infinite inventory. I don't remember which one it is. I know that Tibia is one of them, and that's why I wanted an infinite inventory. But Tibia has like a recursive inventory, which is really, really cool. Baldur's Gate 3? Huh. Really? Nice. Ooh, only weight limit. Okay. Cool. Fix. Actually, let me quickly scan the code for scene changed, because I know there are some other spots. I think. Oh, we fixed it, but I did not fix the signal name here. I mean the callback name. You only have weight limit, but inventory itself expands endlessly, like yours. Nice, nice. On main scene changed. Okay, now this looks good to me. Fix. It's deprecated. Oh no, this is rename. It's just fix deprecated. Scene change signal. Okay. I feel like I should. No, I'm not gonna do it right now because I keep doing that and it doesn't really do anything. Like deleting the whole cache of Godot and restart it because it's been acting weird. The editor recently. Like I don't know. There have been some patches. Now look, if I close the engine, I'm gonna get a crash. Get a crash. Look at this. Look at this amazing hex. All these sexy numbers. And someone did something to the engine recently. That every time that I close it, it crashes. I'm just ignoring that. I'm just YOLOing this. I actually feel like digging into this. But I did not compile the engine with debug symbols. I could do it now. I don't know. Sounds like Godot. Yeah. Oh my god, he sniffs crack. What the fuck that name is? I sniff. Bro, I'm not even gonna say that. What the hell? Thank you for the follow. You took her to your... I'm so glad I butchered the name. The username because I did not want to say that when I realized what it meant. But welcome, sir. I appreciate the follow. Okay. That was so random. By the way, I have set the chats to follower mode only because the bots have been crazy lately. Holy shit, I got spammed so bad like two streams ago. It was like 20 bots just spamming viewer services, like, you know, those view botting services. Screw that. I don't care about that. People don't care about coding. Why should I pay about that for view botting? I mean, I could do that and then maybe get in a controversy related to pirate software. Pirate software. I don't know. Just to get, you know, people angry and get some more views and get people talking about me. Oh, you know what I could do maybe? I mean, we like 600-pound life here, right? So maybe I can set up like a camera filter, and I put a cam on with my actual face, but I make it so that I weigh 600 pounds, and I'm like the typical coder with like a Coca-Cola on hand all the time, and Doritos. Oh yeah, Doritos. That's gonna sell it. And a white shirt with Dorito stains and maybe ketchup. That's how I'm gonna become famous. And I'm just gonna earn money from streaming and not actually selling the game. Bro, that's the dream. That's the dream. Okay. We have items. We have... Oh yeah, this looks weird. Hold on, there's something off here. When we get to... I'm gonna fix this later, because if I get an artist... But yeah, when this gets to 100, it says 0%. No, I think I fixed it. No. Yeah, I'll fix that later. Let me add a to-do there. Hold on. At least let me add a to-do there. Athletic skill component. No, it's the... Athletic... Level up, I think? No, level up notification component. Level up notification. Yeah, this right here. So here, when we do the level progress, I'm actually just gonna add a warning here. No, this is gonna be noisy. I'll fix this later. Screw it. Ah, no, this is what I have to do. You sure to do. Um, the level progress is set to 0 when we get to a new level. Make it so animate the level progression later so that the percentage increases first to 100 and then the level changes to the new level and the bar is reset back to 0 on the progress. The level progression. Yeah. This is the same animation as Skyrim. Yeah, I like that animation. I'm just gonna copy it. YOLO. Okay, let me add this to do. Add animation to do for the level ups. Right, push this change. Done. Okay, no, I did not have any other plan. I feel like digging into C++ code, but I don't know. Actually, let's just YOLO it. I'm going to compile Godot for development mode. Dev. No, what is it? I think it's target something. Yeah, this. I don't know if the stream is gonna crap out. I'm looking at my dropped frames right now. Because this is using my entire CPU. And I don't know if you guys can hear me. I don't know. It usually takes about... it should take less than 5 minutes. But I feel like debugging the engine for a little bit. Nah, I'll do that later. It's taking too long. I feel like my stream is gonna crap out. No. No, 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 no. We'll do some C++ later. Okay, let's... I think we can dig into icons. Because I have the high stamina potion. And I have a bunch of other items. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Hold on. Hey, Mr. Sniff. I just saw your message on Kick. I'm just gonna message that guy later. I don't know who that streamer is. If they want to stream with me, sure, but we can talk about it later. I think... Are you a bot, Mr. Sniff? Because I saw that message earlier. The exact same message. And I get no response. Maybe they are bots. Okay, let's just dig into more art. Just dig into art right now. Game dev. No, where is it? It's your assets. Sprites. Have sprites. I'm gonna do Raven Fantasy. This. And the potions are somewhere in the 2000s. Right? It's like 200,000 or something. No, 2,100 something. Mr. Sniff, you're spamming the same comment. Are you a bot? Can you reply to that? I think I just skipped over the potions. Wait, is it here where I saw the potions? No, I think it was on the other pack. Actually, I'm so silly. I have an item database. We have the potions here. Where are we grabbing the potions? Stamina. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the I'm in the right pack. Oh no, I know what I did wrong. I'm Wait, no, I did not do it wrong. So somewhere around here we have some potions. Wait. Isn't this the right folder? Ah. Item DB again. Oh, plus ultimate pixel art. I am there. I am there. Oh no, I see what's happening. It's the image name. Ah. Ah, I see, I see. So the potions are around here. Okay, okay. I was skipping over them. Okay. So what do we want for the... I don't think I want that. Let me see more potions. Should this be like the small potion? No, I really like... Actually, why not? This is the small potion, the normal potion, and the big potion. I like it. Does it look good though? 2050 it was. Let's go to the enemy chase? No, tomb level. I'm gonna throw some items in here. 2050. 2051. Yeah, I can. Although this one gives the vibe that it has more than this one. I don't know. Maybe hold on. There was another one, right? A smaller one. This one. Ah, now this one makes sense. Small, medium, big. This doesn't sound bad at all. I like this. I like this. 249, 251, 252. Item DB. So let's change some icons here. Health potion. No, here. We're gonna change it to 2049. Oh wait, no. This is wrong. I need to go into the item DB generator. Because this is far more convoluted. So health potion. I just saw it. It's right here. So this is going to be 2049. Now we're going to copy this. And this is the health heart potion. I need to make these calls easier to edit. I'll work on that right now after I finish this. So we're going to do 2051 if I remember, and then 2052. This folder here. Let's do the same with the mana potion. Where are the blue? I think it was further down, right? Bro. Oh yeah, you're getting banned, Sniff. Get out of here. Banned. Blue potions. Oh yeah, 2113. And I think the pattern is the same. Skip 2 and then the rest. Oh no. I used a very strange 213. A very strange color there maybe. Wait, what color is this? Oh no, I use a this color. This is a little bit lighter. Yeah, this is too blue. No, not that one. I want this one. 2129. 2129. Then here. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. Oh no, I did it right. We skip 2, and then we skip 2, and we add 1. Then this stamina potion. This is close to 270 something. It's 279. This is the green. So we want 2177. So this one should be 2177. And this one, we skip 2. And then, yeah, I need to add we add 1 here. We're going to update all our potions and the coins. I used to have some really good coins and I don't know where they are now. I need to look for coins, but let's just do the potions right now. And also update the calling convention. I mean, not the calling convention, but the way the parameters are ordered, so that it's easier to edit. I think this should be fine. Let's regenerate the IMDb. Where is it? Run. And in the items tab is where we have the code that where we're adding items to the inventory, right? Yeah. So we're gonna add 1 of each. Let me just do it here. 2 more stamina potions. Here. Do high health potion. Health full potion. Mana high potion. Mana full potion. Stamina high potion. Stamina full potion. This seems right. So many items that I left here. Items. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This doesn't... Oh gosh, the text. I thought this would be enough space. Maybe I need to make it bigger and make the quantity smaller. Yeah, this can be way smaller. Way smaller. Oh my god, start there. Hold on. Items tab. No, not here. Here. Only one pause menu. We want inspector items. No, where is it? I need the tab container. Wait, this is the tab container. No, it's not. This is the margin container. Wait, why is this here? What the hell? What are you doing here, bro? This is so scuffed. You should not be there. Get out of here. I never implemented you anyway. Yo, that's so weird. I have what? Two roots? Two scene roots? What the hell? This is so weird. Why is this even working? Wait, what? I think this scene file is corrupted. Oh no. Oops, I'm special. Of course, if I if I remove the filter, you know, if I remove the filter, I can see everything. Did I delete anything? Hold on, I need to undo everything that I did because I think I just screwed something up in here. Oh gosh, what did I do? What did I do? Oh my god. Wait, hold on. What did I do here? Oh, there's nothing. No change. Okay, good, good. Tab container. Let's change the tab really quick. Here. Items. Apps. I just need to do items tree. Now, yeah. Then here. Can you just zoom in? Because this can be very tiny. Wait, how can I change the is it container sizing? No. No, this is control data. I want tree stuff. I forgot. I know there's a way to change the size of the columns. Wait, I don't have any. No, I don't have anything filtering out the properties, right? No, no. Allow select, allow folding. No. No. Maybe it's in the there's a tree item. Is it a tree item? Is there a size here? It's not custom size. No, I mean not custom font size. Let me make this bigger. No, it's custom font size. Let's look at the tree. Let's just do size or width. Look at width. Oh, here, get column width. Wow, set column width. Do we? No. Also, I can do it via code. Set custom column. Where's it? Set column custom minimum width. This. Oh, so I have some columns that have the expand flag. Okay. Oh. Oh, I can set the column to expand. I think I can do this. Yeah. Okay, let's configure that. So when we configure the columns, there's a function around here called configure. This. Ooh, so I can just do set column expand. And then we only want this too. True. Let's take it for a spin. Wait. Wait. It's not working. Oh no. Can I do the title expansion? No. Hold on. There's another one for titles. There's nothing. No. This is sad. This is the items tree, so this is on the root of the... Oh my god, my ears. Wilt Winker, thank you for the follow. I swear I lowered the volume of these notifications earlier. It's still so loud. My ears. Hold on, let me see if I can lower them. Oh gosh. Follows. I did lower the volume. Okay, even less. I'm lowering the volume to even less. Okay, it was set at 15%. I'm lowering it. I mean, at 25%, I'm lowering it to 15% on every notification right now. I'm really glad for the follows. It's just that, oh gosh, this sound is so loud. I need more variation on the background music. Because I keep playing the same playlist. I'm just recycling the playlist at this point. And I do have a bunch of other playlists that I saw, but I've just been too lazy to actually change them. I mean, to actually sit down and play them, I guess. Next stream, I promise, we are gonna have new background music. Maybe a little repeated. Don't blame me, but something else. Okay, I'm still lowering all the notification volumes. I'm working on it. I'll be right back to paying attention to the chat real quick. I just really need these notifications to be lower, way lower. Okay, done. All right. I'm back. Okay, so we did the set column expand, and this runs on the... So weird. On the actual item, on the actual tree class. Not the tree item, not the tree item, the tree class. And so I need to set a ratio. Okay, let's try the ratio. It's an integer, the ratio. Okay, so 75. I suppose this is what it wants. Because there's a lot of space that we can use. Oh, now this looks way better. Hell yeah. But wait, hold on. What is the ratio? This documentation is awful. Yeah, it tells you the ratio, but what's the maximum number for the ratio? 110 doesn't say anything. Okay, let's dig into the actual Godot source code really quick. Tree.cpp. Set column rate something ratio. This set expand ratio. Expand ratio. Huh? 1? That's the default value. And it's an integer. Is this like a weight kind of thing? Where's the expand ratio being used? Let me make this bigger so people can see better on my screen. Expanding total. Seems to be, yeah. Expand ratio, expanding total. Yeah, it's being used as a weight. So if I do one on one column and one on the other, it's gonna be half and half. Ah, I think. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna roll with my 75. With the 75, I'm gonna add a note here. The ratio is a weight that is measured by column, which makes sense. That's kind of normal. Just wait. Not an actual ratio. Ratio parameter. Because when I hear ratio, it's like either from like 0 to 100 or from 0 to 1. That's what I think in my head. And when they use these numbers as weights, which can be used to ratio things out, I don't like to call them ratios. I like to call them weights. This is so weird. Such a weird way to name things. Okay. Let's add changes. Update item DB. Yeah. Update item DB with icons for the potions. New icons for the potions. Oh, this is just formatting thing. Yeah, that's okay. Yep. And then what else? No, I want to separate the changes here. Okay, here. Fix items tree column ratio. This is so that the full potion names show up properly. Okay. Then we're going to add this change as well. Add test code for new icons. Add item. Add inventory. Icons. That's such a bad typo. Hold on, I want to fix that typo really quick. Icons here. Yeah. And then what is this? Oh no, I don't want these changes. Nope. Discard. I want to discard most of these changes. Actually, I can just discard this. I think. Yeah. Just keep the item. I'm discarding everything. Not needed. Enemy chase. Okay. Reload from disk. Not what I want. Relics, items. When I arrange health potion, health high potion, health. Yeah, I like how it's organized. Okay, let's work on the formatting of the item database generator because I did not like what I was looking at. I think I have a plugin here that has different formatting for the functions. I'm just gonna YOLO it. Hold on, let's just go. So here, how can I make this multi-line? Can I just do this? Wait, if I can just do that, then I should be able to just do this. Is it right? Does this actually work? Is this valid GDScript? Wait, that's the generator. It is valid GDScript. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna fix these two, because I don't... No. Hey, there's something wrong. What did I do? No, this is fine. And then... This is fine. And then what if I run the... Let me just try to add this commit. Because then it's gonna run the GDScript formatter. Update item db generator formatting. It's gonna fail. That's okay. Let me take a look at it. Item db generator. Item. Oh, beautiful. That's what I want. Oh yeah. So what if I just YOLO this? Be like, yo, who cares? I'm just gonna do this. Then summon the formatting beast. Then we do the generator. Oh, so pretty. Oh wait, it's making it. Oh, that's okay. So for multiple items, yeah, that's okay. I like this. This is easier to edit. It's a bit more big in terms of lines, but who cares? And yeah, when it's more than one, it automatically breaks it down for me. That's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Let's run the generator just to make sure that it's working. Let's go back. Generator. Run. Okay. Item database. Ah, this is bad. It's omitting this change, which is done by the formatter. Okay, I can just probably add that by myself. It's just when the metadata is being updated. Okay. Metadata. Oh no. Hold on again. Where let me just add these changes first. Oh, yep. Then it's happening on the item metadata key. Okay. Item DB generator. Item metadata. What's the item metadata key? No. Yeah, there's a dot on the metadata. Oh, here. Maybe I just need to add a space here. And a space here. I don't know. I'm yellowing this. Oh, I added a space here. And here. That's not what I want. Yeah. Oh, it's here. Here. And here. This should get me the formatting that I need. So that the formatter and the generator are happy. Load file. Wait, what? Why does this change? What's happening? Oh no, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? No. It's true. I'm screwing it up. Okay. Discard these changes. It's not there, bro. Ah. 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 So we run it again. Item db db. Is this? Oh gosh. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to change that formatting though, because here it does to metadata. Oh wait. Oh wait. No, it's right here. Ooh. Yeah. I think that's it. Build file. There's the generator. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so now, wait, no, the item DB, there's a change. Wait, I think I screwed up somewhere. I think it's here. Here. Because the parts are empty. Then I add 2 spaces. And that's what's happening. Okay, so if parts empty, let's return else. We do this. Oh no, here, like this. Okay. And we get a black screen, a sexy black screen. Oh, is empty. You happy now? Godot. Generator. Really? Failed to load script with error. Generator.gd. Hold on. No error. Hey, it worked. Why did I get an error earlier? Godot, you're going crazy. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna discard the change, and just YOLO it. I don't want to make the generator make the formatter happy. I'm just gonna keep them separate. Why not? Yeah, that's the thing. This is just gonna be annoying. You know what? You know what? We are gonna be lazy about it. That's what's happening here. That's what's gonna be happening here. Look at item db. GD. Look at the div. Div of. Okay. That's the formatting that GDScript formatter wants to apply. Could you update so that the GDScript formatter is happy? I don't want to. I'm gonna be really lazy here. I don't want to have them conflicts to avoid unnecessary diffing. All right, thank you, Kurt. I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate it. We're just gonna wait for the AI to do its thing. We're gonna be lazy here. This is just code to generate the code. So let's just let it be. There's something else that we could do in the meantime. We could look at art. Oh yeah, we're gonna keep looking at art. Let's make it really big. Let's look at everything at the same time. Because we want to add eventually. What is this? Gonna add. Oh, it's like a fan or something. Eventually, we want to add a bunch of items for. Oh my god, we have dust. Oh my god, this is gonna be. I'm so hyped now. I'm so hyped. We have so many items. So many items that we can keep adding. We can add like some dust thingies for like crafting or alchemy. We have a bunch of weapons. I don't know how many weapons I'm gonna add to the game because I want to keep it simple. Simple and generic. I like this blue fire. Blue fire reminds me of Zelda Ocarina of Time. This is like a gemstone of sorts. Oh no, wait, this is like a spell. Is it? I see this looking like a spell thing. This is like another spell thing. There's a bunch of armor. Let's see what else we get. What is this? Oh, I don't know if I should show that on stream. That looks suspicious. Looks like a rocket to me. Oh, what is this? This looks like blood. Hmm. Like a blood shield or something. I like all these armors and things. I think if I add some of these items, I want to change the palette a little. Oh, I like this item. Ooh, look at that. Hold on. This is like a... I don't know what this is. It looks like a... This looks like a helmet. Like a weird... I don't know. Weird helmet. These are some boots, right? Hold on. What's this? Boots. Yeah. What is this? I don't know. Yo, what is this? It looks like a signal. Also looks like stairs. Yeah, I wish some of these items had names. But at the same time, it's good that they don't. Because I can get to decide what they are, I guess. Ooh. It's a cool icon for a spell. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it as is. Let's see if the AI finished. Oh, let's go. Let's do the... Let's just check a diff on the LMDB. Okay, now let's run the LMDB generator. Let's see if we get a diff. No, I don't think that's gonna work. Hold on. Cause, let me double check. These are all spacing changes, right? Yeah, this looks all spacing changes. Oh, I am bad. Okay, hold on. Yeah, no, this is wrong. This is wrong. What I need to do is check out the generator. And then we do this. Yeah, and then we add this commit with this commit. Yeah, then I'm going to commit without... I forgot how to do it. Git commit without hooks. No verify. Okay. Git commit no verify. Update item db formatting for pipe coding. GDScript format. Formatter format. Okay, we're gonna push this change now. When we do the GDScript formatter, now we can do this. there a way to like clear? Oh wait, no. Yes, I want to clear. I want to clear because I sometimes the AI gets confused about the yeah. Need to clear the session and then do this again because the AI sees the previous context and it goes crazy making the same change, and I don't want the same change. Just chillaxing right now, waiting for the vibe code to finish. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we see. You know what I see? What we're gonna see. That's what we're gonna see. And I'm looking at this alert. That's just the AI trying to run Godot in a bad way. Okay. Apparently, it now does what it should do. So let's just run the generator. Then it should be. Oh gosh, that's not what I wanted. Oh gosh, no. Oh my god, my ears. Whoa, this wasn't that bad. Hello, stuff me with a. Okay. Thank you for the follow. Oh my god, the usernames today, they are so funny. I really appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so this is the diff we want. But the generator is generating something else. Let's go to the generator. So this looks right. Let me just. Okay, hold on. Yeah, most of the changes look right. So I'm just gonna do this. Just gonna add the generator. Add the item to be of the generator and item to be. Oh, it did pass. Oh, wait, it actually passed. It did not pass. Okay, it still wants to delete some other items. Okay. Or just by coding here an item database generator. This one seems like it would be like an easy change, but it could be on several places within the generator, and I don't want that to happen. I mean that I don't want to do the work. I'm just going to be lazy right now. We will. I think there was some other changes that I wanted to do offline. I'll probably end the stream soon and then dig into the Godot crash because I want to report that. I don't think it has been reported yet. It's kind of recent. Okay. Let's see. Wait, what? There's no changes to the... Hold on. No. Hold on. If I add this and then I commit. Oh no. Hold on. This is what I want now. Actually, I don't know. Let me just clear the session and then go for it one more time. Because it's probably... It did not update the generator that time. That means that it's probably reading from the previous session. So we want a clear session so that it does everything from scratch, like the analysis and all that stuff. Multi-line node. Oh, that's... It's using... It has search grep, but it's using rip grep for search and not really grep. Ah. The AIs, bro. The AIs. I think once this is finished, I'm gonna end the stream. I want to take a shower and probably fall asleep soon. I'm hoping I can crank more hours later for... Oh, okay. Let's see if it works now. Wait, if I add... Hold on. If I add the IronDB and I run the generator, I should not get any changes. I should not get any changes to IronDB. Oh gosh. Oh wait, that's fine, I think. Hold on. Did it pass? Oh, ITMD formatting. I think the AI screwed up somewhere. So now we want to clear the session and run the same prompt again. This is a very silly change, but it would be really nice to have it. Because then, whenever I regenerate the database, I don't have conflicts between the GDScript formatter and what we're generating. Hopefully this time it does not corrupt the... Okay. Okay. Let's take it for a spin. Wait, hold on. I need to add the itemdb. That when we run, we should see no changes to the itemdb. Oh my god, there are changes again. Let's just... Oh my god. More formatting. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to undo this change. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do this. Oh gosh. No, it's gonna undo this change again. Going to run the generator. And we're going to add the itemdb. I'll verify this. itemdb formatting. So many silly I know. I'm just gonna squash these commits. And then we run the generator. Man. Another bot. One kick. Do we get the... Let me run the generator again. Oh, GDScript formatter. Now. To clear. I'm hoping that the AI can do this. Maybe I need to increase the thinking of the AI, the thinking mode. So I'm burning some requests here. And okay, let's take it for a spin. Let's see. I mean, let's wait for it to finish. But It's running the GDScript formatter against the ItemDB generator. It needs to run it against the ItemDB. Okay, okay. Apparently it's working. Let's see. Actually, if I just do the generator, I mean the formatting, that's fine. And then if I run the generator, do we get a diff? We still get a diff. Okay. No. No. Okay, let's check out both items. What two commits do we have? We're going to rebase. And then we're going to clear the session to increase the model. Actually just go with Opus because I'm getting tired of this. We're gonna go high and then we're gonna go this. Oh shit, wait, no, hold on. We did not apply the GDScript formatter, and that's what we want to do. Now we got the diff. Yeah, and now we're going to have Opus to the thing. So this is the AI that actually built the item generator. So this one should be able to, I mean the latest AI generator, because the first one I was able to vibe code had a lot of nonsense in it. And there was a lot of code refactoring that could be done to make it way smaller. And that's what this AI did. This one is more expensive in terms of the requests that it burns through. But the output's so much better. So much better. It takes its time, but again, you can be lazy and it can churn thousands of lines of actual good code, which is nice, especially if you know exactly what you want. Oh, my ears. Abdi RVV, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, this one takes its time thinking. A lot of time thinking. And I like that you can see the output, like it tells you, oh, we need to do this, we need to do that, we need to like. Actually, there's a clear way to add this. I can add post-processing logic to build file content method. I like that it keeps reiterating what's important. I remember the first time I did the generator, I was able to pinpoint some flaws in my own prompt. Because, you know, it's hard to tell what the AI is going to understand. But by looking at what they think, you can be like, wait, no, that's not what I meant. You know, I need to stop the process, and then restart and be more specific with what I want. I'm so glad that I don't have to work on this generator. I mean, vibe coding sometimes can be very, very, very useful. Sometimes. Not always at all. Anything too complex, it's gonna crap out. It's not gonna work. It keeps thinking about doing the cleanest approach and the most let me step back instead of wrestling with complex rejects patterns. Oh, this is wild. And it goes back to the build file content function. Actually, the cleanest path. I think this AI is stuck in a loop right now. No, why a Python script? I don't want a Python script. Why is it going crazy with Python? I'm tracking whether this first predicate so I can skip the blank line before it. Now I'm working through the predicates. Loop if. I wonder what it would feel like to be an AI. Can you imagine we are spawning some sort of cosmic conscience? I mean, I know it's all math in the end. I know it's all math. But it's so weird that it can process language and stuff. I mean, I know, again, it's just math in the end. It's just a fancy pattern matching, a really fancy pattern matching program. which is wild. I think I want to read more about AIs, but not right now because I just want to build a game. Wow, this is turning way more than I thought. I think I'm just gonna end the stream here. Because this is... I don't know. Who knows how long this is gonna take. And right now I'm just waiting for this to finish. And I could do something else if I'm not stuck on this stream. So... I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you everyone for watching. Everyone who was here. And actually, let's roll the credits. Courtier, thank you for being here like always. Most times at least. And screw the rest because those two are just bots. No, just Courtier. Thank you for being here. For all those who just watched and lurked, thank you for being part of the stream. Every view counts. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.